Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. So this is part 2 of the engine reassembly on the RD. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, like, comment, subscribe, let me know. So y'all enjoy. All right, guys, welcome back to the next part of the video. So it's been a few weeks since I've actually worked on the RD because I've been waiting for parts to come in. This is one of it. One part is new piston ring. So this right here is like an expander ring that sits inside the groove of the piston, and it actually it broke. Found that out when I was trying to put the cylinders back on, so I had to get new ones. They came all the way from Australia. So tonight I'm going to get the cylinders back on, cylinder heads back on, and try to put maybe the side covers back on. I don't know how far I'll get, but yeah, so that's the plan for tonight. Yeah, here we go. Alrighty, so I got one set of rings on over here on this piston. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to lube up the cylinder wall here and then the piston and make sure I got enough oil everywhere. Now it's very important when you're doing this. There's like little keepers on these piston rings. It's really hard to see them. See them there on there. Make sure your piston ring is lined up with these. Keeps the piston ring from moving around. So go ahead, we'll give it some oil here. And yes, I know my top ring is coming off. It's okay. We're all right there. Alrighty, guys, so I got the new piston rings in. Actually, I got one new piston ring in. I actually had to end up using the old top rings for these pistons because these ones here, I couldn't get the fit down in the bore, which is a little weird because I fit on the bottom ring. So anyways, got those in. So the next step is going to be taking these here and putting them in the bike, which is behind me. So go ahead and get that going. one in, one go. Literal dog hair on everything. I got a very hairy dog apparently. There we go, that's in. Alright, here we go. Let's go, we got both of them on now. So now let's put the cylinder heads on and buttoning up the top part of the motor here. It's kind of exciting. Big moment to get these back on. I'm excited. I'm getting more excited now. So let's go ahead. I'm going to grab the cylinder heads. We're going to figure out what the torque specs are and the little copper gaskets that go up here. And then we'll go ahead and put those on. Alrighty guys, so we're going to go ahead and put the heads on. They're torqued to 13 to 15. I'm going to go 15. All right, I got it set for 15 foot-pounds. All right, guys, here we go. I got the cylinder heads back on, cylinders. Everything's torqued down, everything's looking good. So the next part that we're gonna get to is we're gonna put all this stuff back on both sides of the motor, get the covers put back on, get the oil pump put in, all that good stuff, and then the motor will be done. And then I can finally move on to the front end here. I need to get the fork tubes, need to rebuild the forks, need to get the bottom part of the triple cleaned up. And then we'll start off on the front end and it'll start looking like a bike. You know, I'm really excited, really happy with how this paint turned out. And that's what I got for you. So let's get into the next part where I'm going to be putting on all the accessories and stuff. So here we go. All right, guys, that does it for part 2. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. I'm not sure about the music with the video. I don't know if I like it yet or not. So let me know. Thanks, y'all, and y'all have a good night.